Why not?
Green K with the see-through clip with these bullets in there.
What them is?
The
Oh,
green bullets in there.
that's it, do.
Yeah, I'm not going plastic see-through though. I want metal.
Friday scale down day. Yeah, straight like that. Like, let's see. The video going to 192. What am I thinking about?
Get the uploaded case. Maybe we'll get a retest today.
AMD, possibly. I'm thinking reject. Let's see. Apple. Apple did report earnings yesterday.
AMD 245 081. 245. Right. In the money.
There you going in the money. Why is AMD contract so high? Maybe because it's Friday. When do they report earnings? They don't report earnings no time soon, right? Oh, in 4 days. Interesting. Right. 4 days. Oh wow. 0 DTE size smaller.
Because not a lot of people know. I didn't know about it.
Yeah. It's pretty good though. Rather than
Again, they got filled on AMD startup price.
I'm gonna follow. I went 0 DTE.
Average is 435.
I went 0 DTE. Let's see. I went in the money too, so I'm gonna go, and I'm gonna have a tight stop. I'm gonna have a stop at like 7% in and out. Well, that's just what I'm risking. That's what I'm risking. Let's see. Sit in 1% right now. Possibly a break below this 8 EMA. It look good. I'm gonna say above that 21 stop. Above that 21 stop. So that candle high. The wick.
Alright guys, I'm taking it from you guys.
Yeah, up 10%.
Sold.
Let's see.
Okay. Just holding it on a session.
Let's see.
For the rest.
Let's see. Break below that 8 EMA on AMD. Not sell. Sitting at 9% right now.
Oh, like 21%. Okay. Remaining, I will just hold as long as 420. Actually, it's right here. Let's see. $440 to $50. Okay, let us try.
Right. You guys hear me?
Yes.
Nice. What did I miss?
One trade.
I should have cash flow. I definitely should. I sold 6%. I just follow Rev. I definitely should have cash flow.
To be honest, Meta was better setup.
But I did want to see it break below that 8. I'm not mad at it.
Keep the same AMD ready though. So this candle still has 1 minute 30 to go. If based on how it closes and wicks, we can get.
Let's see. I definitely take zeros again. I'm not opposed to it. I mean, I'm scaling pretty accordingly to Friday, so not tripping. It's trading, trading. Definitely. I mean, on to the next trade, but I should have took that profit at 10. But I want to see a break below that 8. But well.
So this candle, alpha field, let's set up an AMD again. This candle, next candle has to be a red candle for us. Has to get up 442, 442.50. Okay, if it tends to get back in, otherwise there's no setup to look for something else.
Buy the supply here. Watching a video and the cues.
I think the video could go higher. See buyers at 193. There, see.
In this 694 supply. This is a level from right now. See what happens here. After rejections here first. We do have data. 4 minutes, I believe.
Here's Chicago PMI.
Amazon with the nice. He's strong.
Oh, it does. Wait, let me see. No, it doesn't. $192.99. In the video. This candle could go.
Did you see that a few names have like Monday, Wednesday, Friday now? NVIDIA has Monday, Wednesday, Friday expiration. It's not like they're announcing that. Actually, they're committing.
A lot of volatility. A lot of volatility. That was 20% for Rev. I didn't even see that, but
That's why.
yeah, I definitely should have trimmed. All good
This
though.
is the spot today. See, don't want to get too crazy with it for data. 45 data. Yeah,
Let's keep our AMD ready, guys.
Ain't on the trigger. Let's do it.
Try another entry. You do get another entry level trigger though. Okay, that's what I want. It's not lower.
Look at that on spot. Thank you. And the video. The video went right off of 193. Wow. This could be a bearish pattern for me.
43.5. Sorry, 54 versus estimate 43. It's still very, very high PMI here.
Well, like, why my data not adding up with their data? That's the question.
Keep going, be ready, guys.
Let's do it.
Happening, guys. I'm in on MD. Small size this time. Average is 407.
Oh, the hell.
442 will get it. I'm just selling break even here. I just saw break even on MD.
So -2.
Let's wait one more candle, okay? If it's gonna go away, we'll get a retest entry. Just switch their own fucking wicked and just 15% for more.
I'm looking at Apple.
I should wait until 442. Okay, let's read the roll of the contracts and then I'll get and trigger another entry. Okay, it's still green. I just want to be safe.
Hey, this next one has to go. Like,
Right, let's be patient, okay? Next candle will know 2 minutes to go. Same contract skipping already. That was a good escape. Look at that. These contracts are at 350 now.
I'm not mad at it. We just gotta eat. That's it. We gotta eat, bro. We gotta eat.
Next time we go out and lose 242 and this enter, okay?
I was thinking put some Apple. Definitely thinking put some Apple. But market could bounce. This could be a higher low.
Yeah. 25 and everything before for 420.
Not too good to lose. I do.
My risk is going to be that 443-ish, okay? It's just us to go down.
I want to see it below this level. If it breaks this 8, I feel like we're good. I feel like we're good. Down 9% right now. It's gonna trigger. But I'm thinking this can go lower. Look at SPY, look at QQQ, look at Apple.
Market seems to be a sell. Let's don't.
Just following Raph right now. I'm not even gonna lie.
been out here, guys. I'm starting out. Sold for 360.
Damn. I wanna say last I seen was 14, but
60 per pound. But I'll re-enter it, they'll lose it again. Don't keep holding. Please don't keep holding.
nah.
These are all bi-directional setups.
Nah.
Failure setups.
I'm not.
It will go. Otherwise,
I'm not ready for 0 days.
don't keep holding.
I'm not ready.
There is another trigger under 242. We can have.
This remind me of I can go to the date right here. This remind me of something that just happened previously. Just happened previously. I wanna say Tuesday, last Tuesday. This remind me of last Tuesday.
West Atlantic one.
Hell nah.
Yeah, about like 16%, 17% loss on that. 60 per account. I don't know. I didn't even look at the percentage. It's 15% looks like. But it'll make it back, guys. The previous trade we got 20%.
It's too like zeros are too
Okay.
volatile for what's going on right now. For what I'm risking. That's what I'm trying to say. If I were to take 1 day, it's possibly. But I mean,
From continuation.
I didn't go over max risk. I'm standing in line. It just I don't like what I'm losing. That's it. I still feel like it can go lower due to like it I don't see any juice in it. Let me pull up the. Hell no, I can't. That's the video right there. That's 3 trades. Fuck no. Fuck no. I gotta stay disciplined. It's gonna come back around. I know it. I literally know what I seen this week, and this what I just lost. I'll be alright. Literally, I'll be alright. If Rav get back in, it goes without me. It goes without me. I gotta follow my risk. I gotta follow my plan. Yes. Do I want to press this buy button and get back in when Rav get back in, or follow one of my trading strategies? Yes, I do. But can I? No. Literally, that is. Gotta stay disciplined with it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's all. Cannot love. Even if I would have took that 10%, I still would have been down on the day. Oh, I would. I wouldn't be down a lot, but I'd be down on the day still. Can't be mad.
Keep it on that steady, guys.
Can't be mad.
From 11.5.
I
We'll try it again.
almost just want to just exit everything.
Just running into.
I don't even want to look at it because I already did what I did for the day.
I'm gonna do.
Look at SPY, look at Q. Definitely should have got 1 day. But 1 day is high as hell.
Needed under 242.
That's why I got 0 days.
We can have 50 cent trust and get the trade.
No cap. That's why I got 0 days. 1 day is high as hell.
Just need to see if that level
I
can be
guess-
lost. Okay.
I guess after earnings or after Friday, they'll go back down to their normal price. But AMD has a mug. That's crazy. I mean, I definitely just sit here and watch. It is what it is. VRT went up. This is very. I don't even know what to call this, bro. I know what to call this. Yeah, I can go. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do this right now. Right now, I'm just venting, to be honest. I'm gonna go to the first time I put VRT on my watch list. I know I can see it, literally. I don't believe it was that long ago, but it definitely was. Definitely has been on my watch for a minute. And I'm gonna tell y'all exactly what happened.
So, it's a good one, you know.
VRT has been on my watch for just about a month.
Microsoft. Okay, so get AMD, you look for that.
Hold on. Yeah, VRT has been on my watch list for since like the 14th of December, right? I really want to say before that. I really want to say before that. But basically, right? Y'all get it. VRT has been on my watch for multiple weeks, right? It broke. Probably should have got in on it. What was this, Tuesday? This was Tuesday. Should have got in on Tuesday, which I did get in on Tuesday. I got in on Tuesday, but how I got in,
We're done for the day. Okay.
I didn't. AMD is a call. It's like a call. If it closed below, above that, this wick, it's a call, bro. That's how I'm feeling. Long support, literally.
Let's see what happens in the market.
But right back to what I was saying, VRT.
Get the Microsoft ready, guys.
VRT, right? I should have stayed in VRT. How I traded VRT wasn't how I was supposed to trade VRT on swings. If I'm swinging, and I'm saying this for me and whoever else, if you're swinging, you want to get in the money or right at the money, straight like that. How I swing this, even I'm pretty sure. What did I post? What was that? Yes, I posted Tuesday. That's the crazy part. Boom, right? Posted Tuesday, and I said these contracts are moving funny because I was buying it as if I was in a day trade, not as if I was in swings, right? But it's just another lesson to be learned. That definitely, I heard Mike. He said not every trade is a lesson, which is not every L isn't a lesson when it comes down to trading, which is not because I mean it's not truly not. You can just get wicked out and get right back in, perhaps. But this is definitely a lesson. This is a lesson for me, and I definitely know next time for sure because I definitely had the risk to get at the money, or I could have definitely got in the money. I definitely could have got in the money. Yeah, yeah. I go. This one kind of hurt. Why it hurt? Because I seen 300+% off the open. This was Wednesday open. Wednesday open, I seen like 300+%, and then it just dropped back down because it went up to 194, and market opens, boom. I guess it flashed. It flashed right up here where pre-market highs were, but it didn't stay up there. But I definitely seen 300+%. I was a split second, bro. I remember. I never forget this. I seen the green. I seen how much 300% was, right? I was like, big old gas, right? And then the shit went back down. I was like, oh. And he goes like, that was very. To be honest, I couldn't tell you how I would have reacted if I actually would have seen that, right? But I don't even believe my stop loss. My stop loss was maybe around here. My stop loss was probably right here. I was probably gonna. It wasn't for swings and how you day trade. Your max loss is a different. That's also what I've learned on on VRT. So damn man, mad ain't even a word. I like when it come down to this, I never stop doing it. Like, will I eventually like 30+ years down the line stop day trading? Yes, but I'm not going to stop investing. People, you can stop day trading, but never stop investing. That's one thing you can do. Well, one thing how I look at it, because these are vehicles that big corporations and big money and corporations. This is how they how they put money in the market. Or you need to get another. Ain't no nigga finna stop investing, bro. What? $1 trillion companies. Amazon's a $2.2 trillion company, maybe in counting, right? Why are they on the stock market? You feel me? Why do they have why did they IPO? Let that sink in. They have warehouses all over the globe. Same with Walmart. Warehouses retail stores, warehouses all over the globe. And they are a public traded company. Like, come on now. Like, never stop investing. But anyway, this VRT taught me something very good. Shout out VRT for teaching me this, because again, I definitely was watching this, not seeing how much 300% was. That 300% was nice. And I seen this, yo. I seen this. I waited for this candle. I seen this candle. Boom, boom, boom. It chopped around. This candle went Tuesday. It came down on Thursday, but I definitely would have took profit right up here, because on Thursday, we had this nice open. I possibly could have stayed in those contracts and still got some. I possibly could have had 300% still. Honestly, even with theta, even with theta, I possibly still could have had 300%. This was the level 2. Play levels, play levels, play levels. Literally. But I just had to get that out the way. I just had to say that. Yeah. Straight like that. It could be.